This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to get a free trial with Thinkific. So you can see I'm on the free trial page right here. First things first, I do have the free trial link in the video description. I have an affiliate link. If you click that link, you will find yourself on this page or a very similar page, depending on how Thinkific change their pages over time. So what you can see here, so it's very, very simple. To get that free trial, you're just going to enter your email right here. Then you click this start your 30-day free trial button. And just like that, you will begin your free trial of Thinkific. You get to check out the whole platform, pretty much limitation free, I believe. See if it is the right platform for you. You can cancel your free trial at any time in that 30-day period, so there's no risk to you. You don't lose any money. If it's for you, you can stick around on one of their premium plans, as you can see right here, with the annual 25% saving as well, right here. But if it's not, you can stick around on one of their free plans if they still have a free plan as of when you actually watch this video, or you can just cancel your account. You know, there's no risk to you. You can cancel at any time in that 30-day period. So check that out. You don't know if it's the right platform for you until you actually give it a test drive and you check it out. But there's no pressure. You can cancel at any time. That's absolutely cool. So check that link out. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like. It really helps. And subscribe to the channel for more videos just like